Interested in diving into real estate investment but unsure where to begin? Starting in real estate doesn't have to be daunting. Begin by researching different property types, such as residential homes, apartments, or commercial spaces. Have you considered the potential financial benefits of rental properties as your initial investment? In today's video, we're talking about buying houses and making money from them. Whether you're just starting or want to make your money grow, this guide will help you understand how it works. It might feel a bit confusing at first, but we're here to make it easy for you. You might feel curious or a little unsure, but don't worry, we'll explain everything in a way that's really easy to understand. Are you ready to learn and start this exciting journey with us? Let's begin. Number 1. How to get started with real estate investment. Real estate represents a fantastic opportunity for investment, offering multiple strategies to generate income. Whether seeking a side hustle or aiming for a primary income source, real estate provides a promising avenue for financial growth. If you're new to real estate investment, navigating the process might seem daunting. This comprehensive guide offers tips, advice, beginner-friendly strategies, terminology insights, and common pitfalls to avoid, serving as a valuable resource for those venturing into real estate investment. Number 2. Understanding real estate investment. Real estate investment involves purchasing land and any man-made additions on that land. It encompasses natural and man-made components such as buildings, trees, and fences. Real estate, real property, and land have slight differences, but collectively refer to the physical and attached aspects of a property. Investing in real estate involves acquiring land and its man-made enhancements. Number 3. Ways real estate investing generates income. Real estate investment offers two primary avenues for generating income: value appreciation and rental income. Value appreciation involves the increase in property values over time, typically influenced by factors like neighborhood desirability and location. Rental income is earned by leasing out property, providing a consistent revenue stream and potential profit, depending on expenses and mortgage payments. Number 4. Beginner-friendly real estate investment strategies. Starting out in real estate investment might seem tricky, but it's actually pretty exciting. Try starting small, like with rental properties or REITs. They don't need tons of money upfront and can give you a steady income. Feeling a bit unsure is totally normal, but remember, everyone starts as a beginner. It's okay to learn slowly and ask for help when needed. Owning your first property or a piece of real estate can feel amazing. Just enjoy the learning journey, stay curious, and soon you'll feel confident in the world of real estate investment. Number 5. Wholesaling. Wholesaling in real estate is like being a matchmaker, connecting sellers who want to sell their properties fast with buyers looking for good deals. It's a bit like finding a treasure at a lower price and passing on the map to someone else who'd love to have it. You get to hunt for homes priced lower than their actual worth, and without buying them yourself, sell the treasure map to others who wish to own that treasure. It's exciting, a bit like finding a puzzle piece that fits perfectly for someone else. This role involves spotting valuable properties, negotiating great deals, and making both sellers and buyers happy, sort of like bringing joy to both sides of a story. Number 6. Prehabbing. Preparing properties for resale through minor cosmetic upgrades, enhancing appeal without significant renovations, is the essence of prehabbing in real estate. It's like giving a home a fresh coat of paint or fixing small imperfections to make it more attractive to potential buyers. Think of it as sprucing up a space, smoothing out its edges, and highlighting its best features without overhauling the entire property. Prehabbing feels like giving a place a gentle makeover, adding a touch of magic to amplify its appeal, and making it ready to charm someone new without losing its original character. It's the art of enhancing a property's beauty with minimal changes, transforming it into a captivating prospect for potential homeowners. Number 7. REIT investing. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, allows purchasing shares in income-producing properties without the need for direct property ownership. It's like investing in a company, but instead of stocks, you're buying into real estate ventures. REITs offer the opportunity to become a partial owner of various real estate assets, spanning from office buildings to shopping centers, without the responsibility of managing them. It's akin to taking a stake in the real estate market while professionals handle the day-to-day operations. This type of investment can feel secure, providing a chance to benefit from rental income and property value growth without the hassles of hands-on property management. Number 8. Online real estate platforms. Online real estate platforms help people invest in real estate projects without needing a lot of money or expertise. They connect regular folks who want to invest with property developers seeking funding for their projects. When you invest in these projects, you're lending money to developers or property buyers. Later on, you get back your investment with some extra money as interest or a share in the profits when the property starts making money. It's a way for anyone to support real estate projects and earn some cash without having a ton of money to start with. These platforms make it easy for everyday people to join the world of real estate investment. Number 9. Purchasing rental properties. Buying properties to lease out, generating monthly income streams, especially suitable for those ready-to-manage tenants, is a fundamental strategy in real estate investing. This involves purchasing homes or apartments with the intention of renting them to individuals or families. By becoming a landlord, you essentially become a business owner in the housing industry. However, it's more than just owning a property. It involves taking care of it, ensuring it's in good shape, handling tenant concerns, and making sure the rent is collected on time. While it can be a reliable source of income, it also requires dedication, time, and effort to maintain the property and keep tenants happy. Number 10. Real estate syndication. Real estate syndication is when people team up to buy big properties and share the profits. It's like teamwork where everyone puts their money together to buy something expensive like an apartment building. Then, when the property makes money, everyone gets a share based on how much they put in. It's a way for people to invest in big real estate without doing it alone, spreading both the risk and the reward among a bunch of investors working together. Number 11. House flipping. House flipping involves buying homes, fixing them up, and selling them for more money. It's like giving a tired old house a makeover to make it pretty and sell it for a higher price. Think of it as a project where you take something old and make it shiny and new again. It can feel exciting to turn a rundown property into something beautiful that someone else will love. House flipping is all about finding a diamond in the rough, putting in the work, and making a profit when the house finds a new owner. Number 12. Real estate investment groups, REIG. Pooling capital from multiple investors to invest in multi-unit or commercial properties managed by the group defines real estate syndication. Think of it as a group of people putting their money together to buy big properties, like shopping centers or apartment buildings. This way, everyone shares ownership without taking on all the work alone. It's a bit like being on a team where you all help make important decisions about the property. The feeling of collaborating with others to invest in something substantial can bring a sense of security and shared success. Number 13. Benefits of real estate investing. Real estate investment presents various advantages, including tax incentives, leverage opportunities, diversification, stability, and passive income potential. It allows deductions like depreciation, offers stable returns over time, and acts as a hedge against inflation, complementing traditional investment portfolios. Number 14. Essential real estate terminology for beginners. Understanding key terms like capitalization rate, cash flow, net operating income, NOI, real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate owned, REO, and return on investment, ROI, is crucial for effective communication and comprehension in the real estate industry. Real estate investment offers a wide range of opportunities, and while it may seem complex, learning the fundamentals and understanding beginner strategies can pave the way for a successful career. With dedication, education, and perseverance, anyone can start investing in real estate and build a rewarding investment portfolio. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.